to turn off autoplay for videos in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to turn off autoplay for videos in Facebook Lite. So now, let's get started. To begin with, open your Facebook Lite application on your device. Once you are on the app, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Media. Here you can see Never Autoplay Videos option, so now tap on it. And now your autoplay for videos in Facebook Lite is turned off. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.